What's up, YouTube? MPGEDC here with an unboxing mail call. Alright, so just got this in the mail and then got my Chad back from Weldon Carey, and he actually sent it in to get it reground for sharpening. He got it sharpened for me because I sent it in to him dull. Did do a lot of cardboard cutting with it too. So I also, you'll see the video a little bit later or earlier, whatever it is, of me going to Blade HQ. Hope to see you guys there in that video. All right. Got the Ladybug from Blade HQ and Tony's Sage 5 that he's actually playing around with right now. Freaking heck, dude. I hate these peanuts. Everybody hates peanuts. Blade Show. Oh, they're saying Blade Show Atlanta. Where they're at in the booth. They gave me a Sour Punch straw. I love those freaking things. Dude, freaking peanuts. I hate the peanuts. Everybody hates peanuts. Alright, let's see what swag we got. A cherry. And then we got a hot dog. And then GP knives. Stickers. Ooh, what is this? Oh, it's a gift card. Woohoo! Free gift card. I have to use it through May 31st. We're giving you more than just sharp deals for a limited time. When you spend $100 or more, you slice an extra $10 off your next purchase with a free promotional gift card on us. Sweet. So it's a $10 gift card when I next shop at their online store. Oh! Alright, now let's get to the goody. Spyderco! The Spyderco Smock, guys. The one that I ordered. I thought it was the last. It was supposed to come yesterday, but it came today. At least it's that. Ew, the satin is really nice. It looks like a freaking white. Off-white, but ooh, that is smooth. Oh, it needs some oil. Oh my gosh. In CPM Crewwear. It has a freaking, it looks like a stormtrooper helmet on it. That's freaking sick, guys. All right. Well, that's all I have for today for the mail call. You guys have a wonderful day. Peace out. Bye.